In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to TV TCL. So let's get started. Now you have three methods to do this. The first method is using AirPlay, and this is for smart TCL TVs that support AirPlay. So some newer TCL TVs, especially Roku TV or 6 series, support Apple AirPlay too. So these are the steps. You first have to go to your TV and go to your TV settings, and there you're gonna see something like Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, or under network settings you're gonna see something like AirPlay. So just go ahead and turn that on. You also have to make sure that your TCL TV and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then on your iPad, you're gonna swipe up and then you're gonna see something like this with two screens. So just go ahead and then choose your TCL TV from here, and your iPad screen will now appear on the TV. Now, method two is using what we say the Google TV apps. Now let's say your TCL TV runs Android TV or Google TV, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the Google Play Store and download this app right here, AirScreen. Now what this does is when you open this app, you can enable AirPlay, and then from there you can follow the same steps. Go here, click screen mirroring, and choose your TV. And lastly, this is something that works on literally every TV. You basically need this device. Now this connector, one side goes into your iPad and the other side is the HDMI port. And this is basically connecting any laptop to a monitor. It works the same way. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.